The Navi Mumbai Warehouse cum Distribution Center is a state-of-the-art site that makes Merck future-ready to support the growth of our customers in India and the APAC region. In the life sciences industry in India, this site is one of the first to be equipped with world-class infrastructure that follows global regulatory, safety and quality standards. The location of this site has been chosen to enhance efficiency in operations.
Merck supply chain in India integrates sustainable practices, quality infrastructure and agile operations. We can provide compliant solution and fast delivery to bolster our customers' sustainable growth. As India emerges as a manufacturing hub for the APAC region, it represents a pivotal location with prospect for expansion to meet APAC demand. Through demonstrating its capabilities in technology transfer project, our Mumbai operation have gained global visibility and are well equipped for upcoming technology transfer to meet the needs of rapidly evolving market.
Studies have confirmed that this is an optimal model to distribute high volumes to an extensive customer base spread out over a vast region.
Our strategic investment in Patalganga aims to elevate the customer experience through the modernization of our manufacturing and distribution capabilities, aligning them with our global standards. Our strengthened capabilities in India through this site reinforces the trust of our customers with whom we have established long-term, sustainable partnerships. Additionally, with our state-of-the-art distribution center in Navi Mumbai, we are poised to address some of the most challenging issues in the field of life science.
Sustainability is a key factor in supply chain management. This site uses sustainable techniques to improve the efficiency of infrastructure and machinery. Also, it is compliant with the 2016 National Building Code and with the Merck Environment, Health and Safety Standards.
Navi Mumbai Distribution Center is part of an efficient network of 2 central warehouses, one here in Mumbai and one in Bengaluru, and supported by 5 Tier 2 warehouses. In this model, the Mumbai warehouse supplies large volume, bulk products to major metros via carrying and forwarding agents. Our dealers receive goods from Merck from our depot warehouses within the CFA network to maintain adequate stock and maximize next day deliveries.
The pharma and life sciences business in India and the Asia Pacific region are forecasted to grow significantly. A GDP-compliant central distribution center ensures that quality and integrity are maintained in the supply chain. This center has the capacity to support the forecasted growth in the region, and we still have room to expand in future.